Let's talk about Facebook Live versus native video on Facebook. Facebook Live videos are watched 3 times as long as uploaded video. So should you just go live all the time? Well, probably not. I'll break down when it's best to go live on Facebook and when it's best to upload right now. What's up, busy people? Welcome to 5-Minute Social Media. If you are a business owner who's ever had figure out my social media on your to-do list and it just keeps getting pushed down and down because it's overwhelming or you don't know where to start, you're in a great place. Every week we put out a new quick video helping you with a different part of your digital marketing for your brand. My name is Jerry Potter. Yes, it rhymes with the boy wizard Harry Potter. I get that all the time. And today we're talking about when should you upload a video to Facebook versus just doing Facebook Live. There are definitely times for both. I'm going to cover those today, and by the end of this video you'll have not only those but also 2 tips to help your Facebook Live videos live on for days, weeks, and months to come so you get more out of them, okay? So watch to the end for that. So the question I've been getting is when should you use Facebook Live versus just recording a video and uploading it? Well, if you're comfortable with Facebook Live, why not just do it all the time? Takes less time, right? Live videos get watched longer and they get more engagement. So unless it's something that needs editing, generally, you should just go live on Facebook, especially for videos with an outcome. The downside of Facebook Live is nobody knows how long the video is. So if you're telling them what you're going to do, and they don't know if you're going to go for 2 minutes or 26 minutes, they might just check out. It's like, see ya, I don't know how long you're going to go with this thing. A recorded video, they can at least see how long the video is. So give people a reason to keep watching. What is that outcome going to be? Simple as opening a package from Amazon, that has an outcome. If you're making something, what it's going to look like at the end, that is an outcome. Let them know what that outcome is going to be right at the beginning so they keep watching Facebook Live until the end. I did one recently just for fun, and I went out to a park and I said, hey, I'm really nervous talking to strangers, but I'm facing my fear today, so I am going to walk up and see if I can get a stranger to give me a hug. That had an outcome, and people watched. And yes, it made me super uncomfortable asking strangers for hugs. If I know you, I'll hug you all day. I'll hug you right now, YouTube, but not strangers. Now, when not to do Facebook Live? Well, obviously, when the video needs to be edited. If it's going to be too long and rambly without editing, then you need to not do Facebook Live. Don't do Facebook Live when you don't have a strong signal on your phone or you can't connect to a good Wi-Fi signal. Nothing more annoying than watching a Facebook Live video that cuts out constantly. And don't use Facebook Live if you don't have a plan. Don't turn on the camera and just start rambling and expect people to watch you ramble, okay? Choose an outcome. What's the end point of the video? And then tell them what that is right at the beginning so they know what they're waiting for and what you're building up to. Now, if your reason for not going live is because it makes you nervous and you don't like being on camera live, get over it. And I mean that even for the most shy of people, because what makes you human is the fact that you get nervous and you make mistakes, and that's okay. That's great in a video. I do have a video about some tips about how to overcome that and how to be more comfortable on Facebook Live. Go ahead and check that out. The description is in the comments, or the video is in the, so I should edit this, right? But I'm gonna leave it in because I'm human. The link to the video is in the description down below. All right, as promised, 2 tips to extend the life of your Facebook Live video. If you've done any Facebook Live, you've probably noticed that more of your views come after you're done being live. Maybe only a few people watched when you were live, but another 50 or hundreds or thousands might watch later. Here are 2 things you can do to make that number go up even more. One is update the data for the video. A lot of people don't know this, but you can change the caption. So for example, the first time you might have a caption for viewers that are watching live, and then later you might change it to say, earlier you went live, you won't believe what happens at the 4-minute mark, or something like that. Think about how you could change that. Another thing you can do with the data is if you have this on a business page, you can't do this on a personal profile, but on Facebook business pages, you can actually go in and add captions to your video. Like 80% of videos, including live videos, are watched with the sound off on Facebook. So if you can add captions, and it'll automatically generate them for you, you should do that. And the second tip is update the thumbnail. Facebook will automatically choose a thumbnail from your video, and that's what helps people decide whether they want to watch it or not. Maybe they didn't choose the best part of the video. So you can go in and actually update the thumbnail when you're done as well. Have you used Facebook Live? I would love to know. Let me know down in the comments, or if you have a question, you can leave them there, or join me in our private Facebook group. I'm in there all the time. Just search for 5-Minute Social Media on Facebook. You should find it, and we'll accept you into the group. or the link is down in the comments, in the description rather, below. I messed that up again. If you liked this video, it really helps me out if you give it a like, and go ahead and hit subscribe. Make sure you click the bell so you're notified whenever a new video comes out. Thank you for watching 5 Minute Social Media, where you support not only me, but also my two tiny superheroes at home.